Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get an Asian anime hairstyle like Final Fantasy. Yeah? And the first thing you need to do is very important, make sure you wash your hair. Okay, get all the fat out and dry it. So that's what we're going to do. This step one. Okay, I have washed my hair. Second step is dry your hair like this. You know how to do that. Okay, now my hair is dry, and the third step is to get as much moisture out of your hair and straighten it. So your hair needs to be fluffy, and the only way to do that is use a hair straightener. So you just make sure that every part is straightened, including the front, including the back, especially here, the back, also up. Everything needs to be straightened. Okay, that's the third step. Okay, so now you can see that my hair is completely straightened. You see, it's very fluffy. Also the back. And the next step is to get that hair up. So that's very important to get all the moisture out so that it is light and it can get up. So do not use gel because that will add weight, so that's not okay. What you need to do is use this. This brand is wax from Gatsby, and you just take some of the wax. Just do this, and then you start styling. So you can try the back first. Just pull your hand in the back of your hair. Very easy. The same you do here. And it will magically stay upwards. Doesn't this look like Final Fantasy? Okay, the front you can do like this. The sides do not need a lot of wax. Let's add some more. The sides. So if you can't see the back, there's a technique. You can use a second mirror, and then you can see the back like this. That's a really nice trick. So you can make sure that the back is also done right. Always use the technique like this, even in the back, so that will give the spikes. And this is the result. And this side. Okay, so that was the most difficult part. That was the most difficult part. And then we go to the last step. Make sure that you use spray so that the wind doesn't blow it away. Let's do that quickly. Now you have anime hairstyle. Okay, I'm going to give you a 360 view now. Try to give you. Try it yourself.